My name is Asil and I run a real estate company based out of Indianapolis. And before JTVA, I was still an investor, but I was basically buying deals on market and through other wholesalers. And I started working with JTVA because my partner and we wanted to start getting into acquiring deals off market using certain marketing efforts. What have I achieved since working with JTVA? Quite a bit. So once we incorporated JTVA into our business operations, our marketing systems have been able to run a lot more efficiently. So we've been working with them for about 2 years now. And within those 2 years, we're coming up on about 36 deals that we've done in the company. And majority of those were appointments that were set up by JTVA's assistants. And it's really nice because, we don't really have to worry about a lot of the back end that goes into handling a virtual assistant and marketing, regulations and operations. We kind of have our strategic plan, our strategic marketing overall strategy of who we want to reach out to, our data, and JTVA is the master of execution and guides us on those efforts and basically executes our plan using their systems and their VAs. I would highly recommend anyone to work with JTVA because it saves us a lot of time and effort on the marketing end. There's a lot less things that we have to worry about going wrong because I know JTVA is taking care of it. It's not easy to oversee and manage virtual assistants. And with JTVA being there for us, we never have to worry about our virtual assistant being able to hit their KPIs because they're monitoring it. We never have to worry about our virtual assistants following guidelines that we have set in place because they're monitoring it. We never have to worry about certain marketing regulations because JTVA is on top of all that stuff and making sure we're doing everything we need to be doing. And they're also there to make suggestions and improvements and make sure that, our interests are being served in the best way possible.